What is up, guys? What is going on? And welcome back to another video with Deja. In this video, it's gonna be kind of random. So this is just a day I just started doing things. So I made sure to pick up the camera and record me doing it. This wasn't initially supposed to be a vlog, but I didn't want to just get rid of the footage, and I just kind of put a few clips together of me just doing stuff around the place because I just want to make sure I document everything, not only for you guys, but for myself as well, because so often we can forget what we, come from, or in this case, what we went through to get to where we are. Right now, it's September 20th and I'm sitting in a fully furnished apartment. But looking back, I remember being so stressed out during this time, trying to build everything, the money that's going down the drain. This wasn't even that long ago, just a month ago. And to see that I'm in a totally different place is insane because I forgot about this. So I just think this is so beautiful to have on my channel, just to look back, because life happens so fast and we just forget so easily the things that we go through, all the small details. Like, we remember, of course, the big things, all the major events, for some that's having a kid or getting married, or for me moving to Dallas, Texas. But in these little moments, the stress that was over me in this moment, and just all the other things that I just totally forgot about. And it just kind of reminds me of how, oh man, was that Solomon who wrote that? I think that was in the book of, oh my goodness, when he was saying everything is meaningless. I will put it on the screen, but this is what it reminds me of. Life is just so meaningless, and we make things so major, and we create fear and we create anxiety, and in a blink of an eye, that's all over. So I didn't want to get rid of this footage. There's a lesson in every single thing. So enjoy this mini vlog. Like I said, it is pretty random and all over the place, but I hope that someone can, relate to the things that I just said, or someone can just find peace and beauty in the stress and know that it won't last forever. And in a few years, you won't even remember half of the things that you made such a big deal. That's a pretty heavy intro to the video, but I hope you enjoy. Okay, we got the frame up, and the moment of truth, will this bed fit in the room, is about to be answered. I don't think I'm gonna do the inside. I think I'm gonna sleep in the middle of my blow-up mattress so I can, have somewhere to go, because as you can see, the space on the outside is taken up. So we'll resume this at another time. I'm just getting all the stickers off right now, but I want to attach this to this before I stop. Okay, until we can get the mattress ordered, which I'm probably going to order tonight, I am about to throw this thing in the middle. Perfect. Now let's see, can the desk chair fit? And if I have a lot of room, that's more than enough. So it's kind of perfect because I want it lined up with the dresser anyway. Scoot it over. And I push the chair way back. Wait, did I not tighten? I forgot to tighten that one back up. Lord have mercy. I think this is good right here. And I got a little walk area. I'm probably gonna push my desk back some. I'm also gonna go ahead and move my projector to on top of the bed, because that's where it's gonna be sitting at. So let's go ahead and do that now. Then I can watch TV on the right wall. And go ahead and grab the remote so they can sit right here next to me. Yep, we're screwed. Ay. This is gonna be pointing too high. Yeah, I don't want it this high. I want it about right there. Yeah, I might have to end up getting a new system, but for now, that works. I need to push the dresser back now. What is up, guys? It's a new day. And today I've been very, very productive. Actually, I don't know why I didn't bring you guys along. I edited this morning, got my first video posted since a very, very long time. Like I said, I've been recording for you guys, but I haven't posted a video. So I finally posted my moving video. I haven't looked and seen how it's performing. I actually just don't want to know. I don't want to see. It stresses me out, honestly, and I'd rather not be stressed out and not worry about things that I can't control. I also went to the gym. I walked to the store. Walking back home, there was a trail. I'm gonna insert the pictures. It was very pretty, actually. I'm thinking that one day I'm gonna go on my skates and skate that. Probably can go really far because I'll be on wheels too. So that's, I'm sorry, I'm letting these little kids play out the window. But yeah, I think that'll be really fun. When I was leaving the trail, I got packages. So let's open up those packages, y'all. No more auto boxes. We're gonna work on that in my cleaning video. But scissors. Today's about to be so chill. I'm about to enjoy the rest of the day, y'all. I have had a very busy week. I'm actually kind of tired now. But I'm opening this first package for y'all. I have a total of 3. Oh my God. I have been so waiting on this. Now we can start baking. So I got this baking set. I'm just gonna put it over here in the big old pile of things that I haven't unpacked yet. Okay, remember the dilemma yesterday? I went ahead and ordered this last night. Hopefully this works. We're gonna go test it out in a minute. But then, this is really exciting because I'm getting so annoyed with leaving water stains on my, like just everywhere. So I have coasters and I'm about to just put them around the house. And of course, when I get my living room and all that, we're gonna have this on the coffee table. But for now, I'm taking these in my room. Aren't they so pretty though? Look. Ah, they're so nice. So we're definitely gonna take this in my room. These two. Actually, I really like, okay, yeah, these two. Take this in my room along with this HDMI thing because we gotta get this fixed, y'all. And look, I have a cup literally sitting over there. So let's fix that problem. Boom. I'm gonna put another one on my desk over here. But when I get a nightstand, I'm gonna put one on my nightstand too. So they're just gonna be all around the room. But y'all, let's hope this works. And now, look at all that space we can make. Let's push this bed back. Okay. I just got back from the gym. Today was hamstrings and glutes, leg day basically. Probably the best exercise, best gym experience I had to date. But today, the goal is to literally, I'm either gonna tackle these or break it down these boxes. Now I don't know which goal we're gonna go for. I think I'm gonna start breaking these boxes down first. Okay guys, I did break down a good bit of boxes. I didn't start putting anything up just yet. I took a lunch break because it is after 2:18 and I can eat now, which I'm very hungry because I did work out and stuff and I'm just ready to eat. So I'm taking a freaking lunch break. And I'm gonna finish watching Face Over Matters. I was watching one of her vlogs that I'm behind on in the gym, so I'm gonna finish watching that and just enjoy my food. And then we'll go back to breaking that stuff down and then I'm gonna start editing another video. And that'll be the rest of the day, y'all. My face is breaking out terribly, which is why I don't want to be all on camera. But look at that bump. Out of all places, that's where, okay. All right, done eating. I got one more box that I'm going to go through and take outside before I start editing. And it's gonna be all my hair care stuff. This big old box. Full of stuff. Probably would be easier to sit up here so I ain't gonna keep on bending down. What would be the easiest way to do this? I got all this tape. We're not gonna take the tape off. I'm just gonna put them up. I'm being super lazy. Sorry. how it looks right now. We're definitely gonna change that. What is down here? Gosh, more stuff. Didn't even know I owned this much stuff. What is this stuff? Listen, I'm about to just throw this right here in this top bin. I will do all of this later. Plus, this is all nail stuff, so yeah, we're just gonna put that there. And then this bag is gonna go in the closet. I do want to do my nails though, speaking of which. They have been looking terrible. All this moving around and stuff. All of this stuff is hair accessories. Put that in there. Some games and my prayer journal. Now we can break this box up and take it out with the other ones. Yippee. Okay, so I'm done with that box. I did break it down. So now we have a pile of boxes that's going outside. I'm about to take these two things. It's my hands actually. Take those two things out now. And then I just push those boxes here. Move that one there. Put that one there, and I did not break this one down yet because it's already a lot that's got to sit outside, so I'm just going to wait to do that one. I think that is going to be it for me today. As once I get back up from taking that trash down, I am going to go ahead and start editing, which I'm super excited about because this is going to be the Amazon haul video, so I want to get that one out, and I have so much footage to edit. I think I have to get a hard drive very soon, which the one I want costs $109, and I'm like, I just spent so much money moving. Should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I don't know. I'm probably going to wait till I get a check from my job. Then we'll buy it, but for now, I'm gonna go edit and relax, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for following along. If you made it to the end of this video, comment a move-in box. I'm so tired.